So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a LinkedIn header on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, make sure you go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon in the middle of it. Then once you're here, go ahead where it says project types, go where it says social media and press on that. Now, if you want to get a LinkedIn header here on Visme, what you have to do is actually slide this top bar all the way to the right until you come across where it says LinkedIn header post here on Visme. So what this basically does is it shows you guys a whole bunch of different templates here of a bunch of different social media apps. And what this does, and is actually pretty helpful, is it first off gives you templates which you can edit for yourself, but more importantly, it gives you the dimensions that translates over right away to a social media post. So as we wanted, we wanted to do a LinkedIn header. So as of right now, actually, I can't seem to find it. I don't know if it's right here. My apologies, right between YouTube banners and LinkedIn posts, where it says LinkedIn headers right here, 1128 by 191. Go ahead and press on that. Now, you don't necessarily have to select a template per se if you don't want to. If you were to press a blank template, it's just going to be a blank canvas, but it's going to be the proper dimensions as well. Or what you can do is scroll for a bunch of different templates here. If you like this one, for example, this abstract art one, just go ahead and press on that. It's going to take a couple seconds to load. But once that is done, it's a pretty straightforward process. You can go ahead and make your edits if you want, upload your own photos, whatever you want to. Play around with this app, feel free. But that's pretty straightforward process on how you guys can create a LinkedIn header here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.